What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Today we're gonna do a commercial building. Second time I've did this job. I did it about a year ago. This is trucking, you know, so a lot of grease and oil and stuff. Let's do a little walkthrough here. So we also did the cleaning in this. My wife went through here and cleaned everything. There was grease all over the walls and doors and everything. So normally I do VLM, and I think last time I did this job I did VLM, but I'm noticing a lot of oil, grease and stuff. I'm gonna do hot water extraction on this time. I may follow it up with the bonnet. Actually, I think that's what I'm trying to remember whether I did both on that last time or not, but I may follow up with a bonnet. We'll see how it goes. But as you can tell, so I try to keep the chemistry of any situation in my van, and I have some Sager's Code Red in my van. So that's supposed to be really good for breaking up oil, grease and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray with that. We're gonna clean with that today. Not a whole lot of carpet, but should go pretty smoothly. So it depends on your chemistry. If your chemistry is good, smoother your job's gonna go. And if you got chemistry that's not good, meaning it's not tough enough for the job, so you're gonna have to stop and pre-spray again, stop, pre-spray again. It could take you a whole lot longer, but if you got the chemistry and you do some agitation, by the time I extract this carpet, should be easy cleaning. That's what I'm gonna do. It's going to take a lot of agitation, I can tell. So guys, if you guys are new getting into the carpet cleaning business and you're walking around with the pump up sprayer and you think, you know, I have only 20 bucks for this thing, I don't need to buy anything more fancier than this. Well, these backpack sprayers spray at a rate as a hydroforce. If you know what a hydroforce is, it's something you attach to your truck mount, and it sprays out at a nice rate. That way you can go through a place really quick, you know, in the pre-spray action. And the quicker you go through, more profitable your job is going to be, right? Because if you're spending less time on it, say your job's $100, okay? The job's $100. That job took you 2 hours because pre-spray and a bunch of other little factors. But if you're using stuff to speed up the job, like using something that goes down quicker, and it turns that 2 hour job into a 1 hour job, you went from making $50 an hour to $100 an hour, right? I mean, it's, you know, real simple, but sometimes just to seeing the numbers kind of really, for me, the way my brain works, helps you to push the button on going ahead and get whatever you need. So sometimes these investments in carpet cleaning could be a little pricey, but overall it's going to make you a lot of money. Okay, I'm just going to pre-spray up to that point right there, agitate, and start extracting. Should give this carpet about 15 minutes to dwell. Dwell time's good. So some of these spots are pretty tough. So Aaron's working ahead of me and hitting these spots correctly and agitating it. Actually by hand, not even using the drill, actually using that white brush right there. It's nice and firm, and it does the best. Especially if you're hitting little spots like that. Good agitation really helps out. I gotta work in. Hey, yellow jacket slapped me in the face a minute ago. Alright guys, so not brand new, but oh heck of a lot better. So I think they're gonna have us in here once a month to finally start keeping up on this stuff, and they need that especially. Some of these areas were pretty tough. We had to really do some scrubbing on it, but teamwork helped out. This area right here, not too super happy about that area right there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go right over this area again before I walk out of here. All right guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. This is a commercial carpet cleaning, usually VLM, but not today.